Out here today, fencing with the tractor. Had to push a couple trees over. They were leaned over. I took the top strand of barbed wire. Let's see. Got panels up. Trying to fix fence the best I can. Get these panels up and then put barbed wire up. But I had 2 trees in it, and I had to be very careful the way I did it. But I would have filmed it if I'd have had another person here or something. But just wanted to show a little video of the pig farm. Beautiful scenery. Love to go down in there riding. There's a cave. Beautiful Kentucky woods. Alright, have a good one.